Hello everyone, welcome to Tech World. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Lloyds credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser and go to the search box at the top, type in Lloyds credit card login and press enter in the search results that appears on the next page. Click on this existing credit card customer's Lloyds Bank link at the top, and on the next page, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Click on the login button in the top right-hand corner. In order to bring up a pop-up, click whether you'd like to log into your personal account or your business account and click it on. Go ahead and enter your user ID in the first text box that appears on the next page and then head over to the password field and type in your password correct. Double-check your password by clicking on this show link right at the corner of the box. If you'd like the system to remember you use your ID, you can check this Remember My Usual ID box, but do not tick this box if you're using a public or shared computer. Finally, after typing in all of your information is correct, you can click on the Continue button to log in. But if you've forgotten your user ID or your password, you can click on this Forgotten Your Login Details link and follow the instructions to either look for Use Your ID or your password. Once you click on the Continue button and your credentials are correct, you'll be able to log into your Lloyds credit card account in no time. I hope that tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, as soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.